Welcome! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to stop autoplay animated stickers in your Telegram chats on PC, especially after the most recent update. Animated stickers can be fun and expressive, but if you find them distracting, or if they're slowing down your app, turning off autoplay is a quick fix. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, sometimes referred to as the side menu button. Click on those lines to open up the main menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where all of your personalization and control options are located. In the updated version of Telegram, you'll want to look specifically for the section called Battery and Animations. Go ahead and click on that option. Inside this section, you'll notice different settings designed to manage performance and visual effects. Find the option labeled Animated Stickers. This is where Telegram allows you to decide how animations behave in your chats. By default, autoplay might be turned on, which means stickers will automatically start moving the moment someone sends them. To prevent this, simply uncheck the box next to autoplay in chat. This will stop stickers from playing automatically, giving you much more control over your chat experience. You'll still be able to view the stickers when you want, but they won't be constantly in motion on their own. After making that adjustment, be sure to click on Save so the changes apply right away. Once saved, head back into your chats and you'll immediately notice the difference. Animated stickers will now stay still until you choose to interact with them. That's all there is to it. By turning off autoplay, you not only reduce distractions, but may also improve the overall speed and responsiveness of the Telegram app on your PC. It's a small setting that can make conversations feel a lot smoother. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to adjust your settings right now and enjoy a more streamlined Telegram experience.